The neighbors. Camping at Alaska.
So Susie, what should we do today?
I don't know, Cassie. What should we do? What was that?
Oh, it's just the amazing Alphabet amusement park trailer. And?
Yes, Cassie, I sure do.
I can't believe it!
Hey Cassie, do you always love watching your favorite leapfrog video podcast and friends phonics farm so much?
Yes, Susie, I sure do. I'm watching it right now. Here I go now. Come on, Susie, we're all gonna visit Teacher Owl and her students at Teacher Owl's school right now. Because we're all gonna invite them, along with my favorite El Dorado pals, Tulio and Miguel, and the rest of our Team Freedom Club pals, to our camping adventure in Alaska right now. Okay?
Okay, Cassie, here we all go now.
Alright class, are you all ready to watch a surprise movie?
Yes, we all sure are, Teacher L. Here we all go now.
DreamWorks! I wonder what will be. Dorado! Yeah! Oh yeah! Dorado, John! How glorious! Yes, yes! Still by the I get resolved to bestow. Yeah, forgive out paradise. This one of my eyes many mortals are below. You're golden, oh, now years ago. Again, tulio, there they are, and here they are. Yes!
Hello phonics farm animals.
Oh hey there, Johnson family, look. We're all watching this.
Gasp. The Road to El Dorado. My favorite DreamWorks movie. Ooh. And I think I can see Tulio and Miguel sleeping together in bed, before Tsikl Khan wakes them up. Right?
Yes, Cassie, you sure do. Oh. And speaking of Tulio and Miguel, here they come now.
Hi guys, I'm Chip.
Hi Tulio. Hi Miguel. We just saw Teacher Owl and her students are watching my favorite DreamWorks movie called The Road to El Dorado. You know, here, at Teacher Owl's school. Look.
Wow! Is that us sleeping together before Tsikl Khan wakes us up?
Oh yes, Tulio and Miguel, you two sure are both sleeping together, before Tsikl Khan wakes you both up. Ha ha ha. But anyway, we heard that you all are gonna go camping at Alaska for 6 days. Can we all come to Alaska too, along with our teacher, named Teacher Owl, the two El Dorado pals, Tulio and Miguel, and many more Team Freedom Club pals?
Yes, phonics farm animals, we sure are gonna invite you all, your teacher, named Teacher Owl, my two favorite El Dorado pals, Tulio and Miguel, and the rest of the Team Freedom Club pals, to our best camping trip to Alaska day ever right now.
The Orlando Airport. Here we come.
Okay, numberland numbers, we'll do 2 spins to the right. Then numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, you all will do the inverted pirouette. Then numbers 5 and 6, you both will do the jump split. Then numbers 7 and 8, you both will do the kick turn. And last but not least, numbers 9 and 10, you both will do the lunge. Here we all go now. Whoa! We did not see that coming. Huh.
Look! We've made it. Let's go. Wow!
What was that?
It came from over there.
Welcome to Scout and Friends Phonics Farm. Ask a grown-up to help you make a
Phonics farm
selection from the
animals.
menu.
You all are not going to believe this, but these kindergarteners, in this kindergarten classroom, are all going to watch my favorite leapfrog video called Scout and Friends Phonics Farm. Look.
Alright. Time for all of us to watch Scout and Friends Phonics Farm right now. Here we all go now.
You are right, Cassie, and they could see us on the big screen. Do they elephant?
Yes, reindeer, they sure will. Wow. Hey class, come here. Look.
Hey guys, look.
Wow. I can't believe it. The Northern Lights are all here. And they're all also from my favorite Disney movie franchise called Frozen. Are they Tulio and Miguel?
Yes, Cassie, they
They
sure are. Ha 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 ha.
It came from over there.
Wow. Everyone, except Cassie, Susie, Evan, Henri, Sarah, James, Amanda, Owen, Marcus, Elijah, Levi, Colton, Allison, Skippy, Precious, Jared, Percy Jackson, Max, Rudy, and our teacher, Teacher L, is sleeping in the Alaska camper van. And they're all also going to be late for breakfast. What are we going to do, reindeer?
Don't worry, everybody. I've got an idea. Let's wake them up.
Good idea, reindeer. Let's do this thing.
Hey!
Cool. It worked.
Good morning, Phonics Farm animals. Thanks for waking us up.
Thanks for waking us up.
You're welcome, everybody. Now, who wants some breakfast?
Hey, I want to have waffles for breakfast.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 5 also, class. And, are we all ready to eat some of our breakfast right now?
Yes, we sure are, Teacher L. Haha.
Guys, we have 4 more days left until we leave Alaska and go back to Florida. Right, reindeer?
Oh yes, lazy boy, we sure do. But I gotta say that this is the best camping at Alaska day ever in our life.
The end.